First is place the center of the cravat over the compress covering the one. Last is carry the ends around the opposite side of the head. Cross them, bring them back to the steering point and tie them. Folded base vertically over. Second is one arm with pointed directly under the elbow of injured arm. Third is lower ends of base at the side of the neck using a square knot. Fourth is make several twists with apex and tie a knot. The last is hide the knot. First is bend the arm at the elbow and place the middle of the cravat at the point of the elbow, bringing the ends upward. Second is bring the ends across, extending both downward. Third is take both ends around the arm and tie with a square knot at the front of the elbow. If an elbow fracture is suspected, do not bend the elbow, bandage it in the position found. First thing to do is use the wide cravat. Start with the middle of the cravat over the compress covering the cheek or the ear. And carry one end over the top of the head and the other under the chin. And then cross the ends at the opposite side. Fourth is bring the short end back around the forehead and the long end around the back of the head. Lastly, tie them down over the compress. First thing to do is apex at the shoulder of injured part. And then pull back folded base and secure with square knot at the center and tension of the back. And lastly is knot or tie longer end with apex.
First is lay the middle of the cravat over the palm with the ends hanging down on each side. The second is Take the end of the cravat at the little finger across the back of the hand, extending it upward over the base of the thumb, then downward across the palm. The third one is take the thumb end across the back of the hand over the palm and through the hollow between the thumb and palm. Lastly is take the end to the back of the hand and cross them. Then bring them up over the wrist and cross them again. Bring both ends down and tie them with a square knot on top of the wrist. First is place the hand in the middle of the triangular bandage with the wrist at the base. Second is place the apex over the fingers and tongue and excess materials into the plates on each side of the hand. Lastly, cross the ends on the top of the hand, take them around the wrist, and tie them with a square knot. First is start at the armpit. Then the second is cross over at injured shoulder. Last, tie at the opposite armpit, side of front. First is place the center of the cravat over the compress covering the wound. Last, carry the ends around to the neck, cross them, bring them back to the starting point and tie them loosely. First is start on top on the knees. Second, cross over and twist 2 to 3 times under the knee. Third is cross over on top or bow ends the opposite side. Lastly is to secure with a square knot under the knee.